This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Face ID device and the app supporting Face Lock. Open Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, and enable Face ID for apps. Then open the App Store page for the app and verify it lists biometric authentication or in-app security. Once done, install or update the app. Make sure you grant camera and biometric permissions when prompted. This sequence ensures the system and the app both recognize Face ID before you enable protection inside the app. You continue by signing into the app and navigating directly to security or privacy settings. Locate the Face Lock or biometric option and toggle it on. The system will prompt you to confirm with Face ID, so follow the on-screen prompt. Make sure you set a fallback PIN or password in case Face ID fails, and choose an appropriate timeout or auto-lock interval. Once enabled, test unlocking within the app to confirm it accepts your face and respects the timeout. This prevents accidental lockouts later. You finish by thoroughly testing. Lock the device, open the app, and confirm Face Lock unlocks it reliably. Make sure to test from different angles and lighting, and enable attention detection if the app supports it for added security. Keep both iOS and the app updated so biometric APIs remain compatible. If Face Lock fails, try the tip: reset Face ID, clean the True Depth camera, restart the device, or reinstall the app. That single troubleshooting step often resolves recognition and permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.